touched down, y'all. Right now we're at the municipal. We're on our way to the pier right now, just to scope it out, man, and see what type of crabbing they doing off the pier.
Is that a tree?
If we don't feel comfortable here, we're gonna take off to Ocean Beach. But right here is the only spot we can come and drop our crab pot. So we gotta check this out first. All right, y'all, check it out. All year?
Yeah, all year. Lemon 35, you can only
but Dungeness may not be taken on possess. So you can't even take Dungeness.
Okay, we thought today was the last day, but
no, you can't take
rock
Dungeness.
crab and red crab. Okay, all year.
And his fishing is not required.
4 inches too?
Yeah, but you can take rock crab or red crabs. I mean, rock crab or red crabs.
So we can't get this big
4
one?
inches, but you can't take Dungeness.
Why?
It's illegal here.
Look at this guy. Look at this fella.
He looks as handsome as me, bro.
He's chilling.
Look at. I look as handsome as him. Look at. I look as handsome as him.
Feels like June with the beat.
Whoa!
Whoa, back up!
Trying to get us, bro. That was a bad idea. Beautiful out here, guys. See the bridge over there. All right, guys, so no luck here. So we're on our way to Ocean Beach now, man. We saw one person, man, he had caught, I think he said 2, but he said there was no keeper. So he said he'd been crabbing out here for like 2 months and he only caught 1 keeper in 2 months. So we about to wiggle, man. Go to Ocean Beach so we can fire the grill up and just chill out, man. So when we get over there, we're gonna tap back in with y'all. We control Kool on the move, baby. Just touched down. Just touched down, man. Ocean Beach, man. Look at the festivities and activities and things, man. Oh yeah, this is much better, y'all. So if you ever want to go to a nice beach or crabbing, come to Ocean Beach, man. Stop the cap. I don't know yet. We just got here, but it seems much better. We're about to check it out before we bring out all our gear. But for right now, man, I'm kind of feeling this, man. The weather's perfect. Cause you know you're supposed to be here. Oh! Oh, that was cap. Did y'all enjoy that last video, man? See them Browns doing their thing out there? Yeah. Great team win, man. Them boys doing their thing. Is it? Nah, he talking about he see crabs already. He's capping. Oh. Don't kill them.
They're already dead.
I come back.
Look at all these dead baby crabs out here. God damn it. What y'all think, y'all? Look at that. And it's crazy because I read my horoscope the other day and it told me that the beach was in my future. And look, we're here. Hello. But now we need to figure out if we can set up or not. No. Finna figure it out. All right, y'all, let me get Let me get some understanding, man, and I'll get right back with y'all, man. We out here, baby. Beautiful out here. Beautiful out here, man. We recommend this spot to everybody, man. Ocean Beach, man. San Francisco, California. Let's go down here and see what the kids is up to, man. You know what I'm saying? We over there rigging our poles up now. About to get some crabs. You feel me? What y'all doing? You soaking wet. Don't get the camera wet. What you doing?
Making a baby seat.
Huh?
Making a baby seat.
Making a baby seat?
Yeah, you know what's that, like the little sit up?
What you making a baby seat for? Your baby? Ooh, this water cold. What you doing, bruh? This is living, y'all. Hello. We control Kool on the move, baby. You messing up the baby seat. Why you messing up the baby seat? Look at it, man. What is she doing? Look at night. Look at these waves, y'all. Oh! Oh, it's cold. I'm a bi when it comes to that water, man. Don't go too far, Kai. Don't be showing out for the camera. You too far. Hey, you don't see nobody that far. Y'all too far. Hard-headed. Hard-headed. Let me get back to this grill, man. They better be cool over there. It's actually nice out here today. It's not super cold. The sand feels great. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you. Control Kool, baby. Alright, let's get back over here and check on this grill, man. Check on this pole, man. Y'all can check out this 10-foot pole we got. You gotta have that heavy duty 10-foot. Look at that bee right next to you.
Fine, he doesn't have a stinger.
How you know?
I just looked at it.
Oh, copyright. Copyright infringement. That 8,000 reel, 80-pound line on that joint. You know what I'm talking about? Let me throw this meat on the grill and I'll get right back with y'all. Okay. They must think I'm playing. One thing about this water, kids, always respect this water, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at these waves. Look how these waves are crashing. Kylie! Get out! Because you're going too far. Too far, get out! Your mom told me to tell you to get out.
How do you break that?
Huh? Look at her badass. You're going too far. You gotta respect the water.
I'm literally jumping over the wave.
Okay, but it's too far. All it takes for you to trip and that wave gonna suck you all the way out there.
We're sorry.
No, ain't no I'm sorry. Get out.
Why?
Because y'all better stay right up in here. Don't go too far.
Okay.
Don't go where them waves is knee high like that. That's how you handle that, y'all. Feel me? Think I'm playing. All right, gang. The moment we all been waiting on. China Joe's Crab Shack, these mother. I'm so excited, but this water is gonna be freezing cold, bruh. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. The water too cold.
Let's go over here.
I'm gonna wait till all the water go back, run out there and throw that motherfucker.
Not far.
Let's see.
Interesting.
Hey man, when you at the beach, man, keep your dog with you, man.
Just let it go. Yeah. This weather could not be more perfect.
Huh?
This weather could not be more perfect.
Alright, let's chill for a second.
Let's see what it does.
What can I do?
Oh, it's right there.
You have to let the string go when you're pulling back. When you walk back.
No, I was drilling it.
No, I'm saying
I
you
wanna
have
try.
to let the string go.
Can I try?
Let him try one time.
I want to try.
Let me get it out there.
More than one time, Mom.
Go, hurry up. Go, go.
We need real action shots.
Go.
You don't need to be no poop butt.
Fucking
Let me throw. I throw further than
nice.
Alright, good job.
Back up. Now you can't stand right behind him. There you go. There you go. How? Oh my God.
Put the camera on me. Well, guys, we lost the fucking.
We got another one, but.
That's your fault.
Oh my God, how did it come
You're not
off?
supposed to use that thing. You like, look, wait, why? You're not supposed to use that.
Damn it.
All right, guys, so first cast was a fail. But don't worry, we finna bounce back. Mark my words.
That's a problem.
We gonna go rig this thing up, man, and get right back with y'all, man.
Go.
You gotta come in the water.
All right, go.
Wait till it goes back out.
Okay.
Gay!
No, why are you wheeling it in?
Huh?
Why are you wheeling it in?
Out.
Huh?
Filling it out.
Oh, you're letting it go.
Think that's far enough?
Just let it go. No, you don't wheel it out. Just let it go. You let it go.
I am letting it go.
Yeah, look. No, let go of the wheel. Let it go.
Leave it? Should I leave it?
Let it go, yeah. Just let it go.
Well, I want to pull it out so I can get out the water.
But remember, you got to pull tension on it. Yeah, give it a little tension. Yeah, let it go, and then...
Pull it tight.
And then lock it. Yeah, pull it tight. Lock it until you get ready to...
Lock.
Yeah, or ready to come in, like when you're ready to wheel
Lock
in.
it though?
Yeah. But it's right there. It's not far.
I gotta go redo that.
Yeah, pull it in. There you go. No, it's too heavy.
How much is what?
It's a lot, son. And you have to know how to throw it. It's a lot. If me and Dad is struggling to do it, you won't be able to do it.
That was better.
That was much better. It's easier from the side.
Yeah.
Look how big the waves are. Look. Look how big they're coming in.
Hey, don't run in that water.
Yeah. The swelling's just way too big. We gotta do more research. Are you releasing it?
I think so.
Let me try. I want to try. Here.
Hey guys, it's not me, it's the waves, I promise you. Oh my God, I've never done this before, man. That fucking cage is heavy. The cage is heavy, man. This ain't no joke. All right, let's see what we got. Oh my God, guys. Woo! And look at these waves, man. They are relentless right now, man. Come on, what's taking her so long? Come on. You gotta get out there. You gotta get out there. Watch out. What is that? Let me see.
Heavier and harder than a lot.
Let's go fish. Come on. Let's fish. How about that? We obviously got to do more research when it comes to snare. Oh, look what Kai found. Them silver dollars.
No, they go together.
They call them dollars, something dollars. Oh, look at the water. But like I was saying, guys, we gotta reevaluate this situation, man. We gotta we gonna just fish, man. Cause the snaring, much respect to those guys out there that know how to snare, man. This shit ain't no joke. So we gonna regroup, get something to eat, and we'll be right back with y'all, man. Okay.
No. Did you really? That weight's too heavy.
Hey.
That weight is way too heavy.
Hey, check it out, man. It's our first time doing it. It's okay. Hey, who we the first people to ever whitewater fish. You know what I'm saying? But check it out. We're gonna go home. We're gonna do our homework. We're gonna go home. We're gonna do our homework. And we're gonna come back greater later. I promise you, because you already know we control kool. The only way we going is up. And now I'm pissed off, so we gone. As a coach and as a father first, I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, and I'm like, you know what? I'm glad we didn't catch nothing today. Because I didn't put in the proper work. I didn't do everything that I needed to do to make sure that happened. Yeah, I'm pissed. But at the same time, this is what YouTube is all about. It's reality, man. You know, and through YouTube, you can't only show the wins, man. You gotta show the losses as well. So I'm gonna take this one on the chin. I'm gonna go home, regroup, do my homework, and next time I'm not gonna guarantee nothing, but the next time we go back, or the next time we come back out here fishing, we gonna catch something, man. I just had to, yeah, and crabbing. I just had to come back out. Well, no, I just had to come back on here. I know I closed the video out, but I had to come back on here to, you know, relay that message, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't take it the wrong way. Keith Brown, man, I ain't giving up. We control Kool, man. We don't give up, bro. We gonna be back and we gonna make this thing happen. So now, the video's over. You already know. We control Kool, man. And I promise you, man, the only way we going is up, gang. So, be looking forward to that next video, man, of us crabbing the snaring, man. The snaring, man, I'm telling you, man, it's a whole nother beast, man. Look at that ocean, man. Look at them waves, bro. So it's bigger than just casting your reel or casting your bait or your line, whatever the hell you call it. It's bigger than that, man. You gotta know the swells, you gotta know all these different types of things. I've been talking to other cats out here, man. It's a lot to this, you know what I'm saying? So much respect to all those guys out there, man, that come out here, man, and successful crabbing, man. You got my respect. But that's my time. We control Kool, and we appreciate everybody that's rocking with us, man, and supporting the campaign. Gone.